Welcome back to MarineMax Cumming. My name is Quinn Seagraves, and today we're on another wonderful Boston whaler. This is going to be the ever-popular 15 Montauk. It's going to be a great size to trailer, keep in the garage, or just be able to go out with a couple people and fish. Up here in the front, we will have the bow filler cushion that allows you to use this as a sun deck or just kind of lay out. You'll have the nice anchor cleat right here and a nice system to keep the anchor on either side of the boat. So we move into the cockpit. We will have the low bow rails to give you something to hold on to when you're sitting up in the bow while you're going down the lake. Some cup holders and a cooler right underneath. We have the bimini top on board to give you a little bit of sun or shade. Great thing about it is if you didn't want that on board, a couple little easy disconnects, you can take this off and leave it in your garage. But when it's on, gives you nice shade over the console and back seat. We've equipped this with fishing packages already on board, so you will have the Simrad digital dash. It's give you a fish finder and all of the other capabilities of the digital screens. JL audio system, some nice nav lights, bilge, and accessories, so you do have a switch. And then also the JL sound system, so you get some speakers in the console to listen to your tunes while you're out. You will have the flippable leaning post with 4 different positions, so you can fish while you're sitting off the back, fish over your motor, and then again the fishing package was equipped. So in here you'll have the live well, you'll have some rod holders on both sides, some built into the console. Underneath me is the 12-gallon fuel tank. Very easy fueling and checking how much you have left. Back here on the back, we do have it selected with the 60 horsepower Mercury. So this boat is going to be plenty of power to get you and the 5 guests you have on board up onto plane and out into the water. Would love to show you this boat or give you some more specifics on it. It does come with the trailer. My name's Quinn, so give me a call today.